In this video, I'm going to explain addition and subtraction in rational numbers. Here, as you see, a over b, c over b, and d over b, it's given. If you add them, a over b plus c over b, it's going to be a plus c over b. The most important rule about addition and subtraction in rational numbers, denominators must be equal. If the denominators are not equal to each other, you cannot do addition and subtraction operation in rational numbers. If the denominators are not same, you need to make the denominators same, then you may continue to your operation. Okay, then if there are three terms like a over b, c over b, and d over b, if we try to add them, we are going to a plus c plus d over b, we are going to write. Here there are some exercises. 3 over 7 and plus 2 over 7, it's going to be equal to the important rule. Again, I'm telling this one, this is very important. It's going to be 3 plus 2 over 7, which is equal to 5 over 7. Here for the second one, 7 plus 2, it's equal to 9, plus 3, it's equal to 12, so it's going to be equal to 12 over 11. The common denominator, it must be. And the last one, here we have negative signs. What is the negative sign? Given to numerator, so it can be also like this: 5 over 9 plus minus 3 over 9 plus minus 1 over 9, or it may be equal to 5 over 9 minus 3 over 9 minus 1 over 9, also it can be. The results both same, it's going to be here, this is plus sign, sorry. Here both result, it's going to be same, which is equal to 5 minus 3 minus 1 over 9, or here 5 minus 3 minus 1 over 9, again it's going to be, and 5 minus 3, 2 minus 1, it's going to be equal to 1 over 9, or 1 over 9 again here. So to do operation like this or like this, it's not important. The most important thing, denominators must be same. Here, if the denominators are different, we should use least common multiple form for the terms, and we should find the least common multiple of these numbers, and we should get the common denominator. So for 3, 4, and 6, the least common multiple is, you may divide the numbers, some numbers here 4 and 6 by 2, that's why I'm dividing by 2. This is going to be 2, this is going to be 3, and one number divisible by 2, that's why we are continuing with 2. So it's going to be equal to 1, and this is 3, because 3 is not divisible by 2. This is 1, and this is 3. The last number is dividing 3, and this is going to be equal to 1. Here I need to make clear, because while you are writing at home, not to confuse the number, that's why I'm writing here 3, and when you divide by 3, it's equal to 1. When you divide by 3, it's equal to 1. Now all the columns are 1, that's why we are going to finish the operation. So least common multiple of 3, 4, and 6 is equal to 12. That's why I'm going to enlarge the numbers by this number. And 2 over 3 plus 1 over 4 plus 5 over 6 becomes, with what I need to multiply and make 12. The number is 4. With what I need to multiply and it's 12, the number is 3. I need to multiply by 3 and make it 4. And this one by 2. When you multiply by denominator, you have to multiply by numerator at the same time. So here this 4 multiplied by 2, it's equal to 8, multiplied by 3, it's equal to 12, multiplied by 3, it's equal to 3, multiplied by 3, it's equal to 12. Multiplied by 2, it's equal to 10. Multiplied by 2, it's equal to 12. Now the denominators are same, and we can do addition operation here. The same denominator, it's written down, then it's going to be 8 plus 3 plus 10, 8 plus 3 plus 10, which is equal to 21 over 12. Here we can do also this one. We know that 21 and 12 has common factors, which is 3. So when you divide by 3, this is going to be equal to 7. When you divide by 3, this is going to be equal to 4. So the answer is 7 over 4 it's going to be. And when you do this kind of operation, addition and subtraction, if it is possible to reduce, you have to reduce two terms. This was the A, and B, it's going to be classwork for us. In the class we are going to make the denominator same, and we are going to solve the question here. This is going to be classwork for us. Okay, here for the subtraction, I didn't separate the topic addition and subtraction together, I said, because addition and subtraction actually they are not different. Here I'm going to do the first exercise, and the denominators are not same. And if you want to make the denominators, and if you're familiar with the numbers, 21 is the multiple of 7. That's why I'm going to only multiply the second term by 3. 3 times 7, it's going to be 21, and the denominators, they are going to be equal. So 5 over 21 minus 9 over 21 it's going to be, and 5 minus 9 it's going to be equal to 5 minus 9 over 21, which is equal to minus 4 over 21 it's going to be. Here these are relatively prime numbers. They don't have any common factor. That's why we are going to write here the 6 and the 5 here, and even they are not relatively prime. For two fractions, for two rational number, addition and subtraction, you can crossly write the denominators here like we made. Okay, then 6 times 1 is equal to, for the B1, 6 times 1 is equal to 6. 6 times 5 is equal to 30. And 5 times 1 is equal to 5. 5 times 6 is equal to 30. So the result is 6 minus 5, which is equal to 1 over the common denominator always. We are going to keep that one. If rational operation given with mixed fraction, we should convert them firstly in proper fraction, then we should continue to do our operation. That's the easiest way for solving these questions. So 2 and 1 over 3, it's going to be equal to 3 times 2 plus 1, which is equal to 7 over 3. 4 times 1 is equal to 4 plus 3, it's equal to 1, and 3 over 4 is equal to, it's going to be equal to 7 over 4 again, and 2 and 1 over 3 plus 1 and 3 over 4, it's going to be equal to 7 over 3 plus 7 over 4. Numerators are same, but denominators must be same. That's why I'm going to crossly write here 4 and 3. Then the operation is going to be 4 times 7, 28 over 12 plus 3 times 7, it's equal to 21 over 12. 21 and 28 over 12, it's going to, 21 plus 21, it's going to be equal to 49 over 12, it's going to be, and we are going to find the operation result here. If we have negative number like this, we are going to multiply 7 times 2. It's going to be like minus 2 and 1 over 7, which is equal to minus 7 times 2 is equal to 7 times 2 is equal to 4, plus 1 is equal to minus 15 over 7. Then the plus, here we have This is the second one, this is the A1, this is the B1, and second one is 3 and 1 over 12 it's going to be. Let me change the color also here. And 3 and 1 over 12, when I multiply by here, this one I'm going to multiply and this one I'm going to add, and the result it's going to be equal to here 3 and 1 over 2, it's going to be equal to 7 over 2. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. And now I'm going, the denominators are not same. First I'm going to make the denominators crossly. I'm writing directly for making easy operation. 2 times 15 is equal to 30 over 14. It's going to be minus, of course. 7 times 7 it's equal to 49 plus 49. 7 times 2 is equal to 14. Again, it's going to be. So this is minus 30 plus 49 over 14, which is equal to 19 over 14 is going to be.